Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2009 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 35,118 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with aftermarket 3.5-inch slip-on mufflers, Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, an LED headlight, LED passing lamps, a Baker DD7 7-speed transmission, shorter antennas, and smoke front turn signals. The TRIGLIDE offers the same long-haul touring comfort and rugged power as the Electra Glide, but on the stability of 3 wheels. In stock form, it's powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, putting 101 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,202 pounds and has a 28.3-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.